In this video, we will discuss about transactions serial settings, how to block and reuse the deleted serial numbers, transactions and reports date validation. myKount is providing multi-branches along with the multiple financial periods in a single database. After installation of myKount and before starting data entry, the most important things to be done are 1. Set financial period. Number 2. Set company profile and serials prefix and last numbers by editing branch code HO in branch edit master. So financial period. See, now the financial period is 21-22. Here it is defined, but running year is 22 and 23. So to edit this financial period, we can go to others financial period. Here we will change as per the requirement. Save. So financial period is set. Now the branch, here edit the branch. By default HO is there, so we will select HO. So this is the prefix and this is the last number. These two to be fixed before starting data entry. These transaction numbers are branch specific and in branch again financial period specific. Administrator has to take care about serial numbers not to be duplicated. The recommended pattern to avoid duplicates is prefix with branch code, transaction type short code and year. Now we will see this practically. See, now this is prefix. So branch is HO. In multi branch case, it is always recommended to prefix with branch code. So if it is a single branch, you can run like this. In case of multi branch, always recommended to prefix with branch code and short code of the transaction and year. So in this way we can configure the transaction serial numbers. This is for purchases, this is for purchase return. Like that we can fix for all transactions, opening balances, opening stock balances, purchase orders, sale orders. There are many transaction types are there. So we can fix as per the requirement. On selection of here block deleted numbers, no, that number can be reused. Here on blocking the deleted numbers, for example, I will enter here Y for S. So block deleted number is yes. After deletion of any purchase invoice, by marking here Y, that number cannot be reused in future. Before deleting, if I make it as N, that deleted number can be reused. We will see how that will be. See here, for example, purchase serial 1000 is running and the user deleted the purchase serial number 100. We can replace that 100 number by editing this branch by entering here 99. After saving that purchase bill, again we have to come back and enter the running serial. In this way we can reuse the deleted numbers. By marking here Y, we cannot reuse the deleted numbers. So select this one, save. Now the financial period is single here. So now I'll add one more branch. So add branch. So at the time of creation of branch, the transaction serial numbers for each and every financial period to be edited other than for this financial period. Mumbai. So on selection, on entering Mumbai, here you see the shortcode has already appearing here, and this is the sequence. By default, it is showing user can edit as per his requirement, and save. So these serials are fixed for this particular branch and per particular financial period. To activate this branch, user has to approve this branch. Then only user can pass transactions for this branch. Has to be approved and re-login again. Now we will see the branches list here. See, Mumbai is there and Vijayawada serials are fixed. Now we will create one financial period. So others financial period. Here this process will create new transaction serials for new financial period for all existed branches and can be edited in branch edit screen. See 22, 23, now I will make it 23, 24. Save yes. Close. I'll see branches. Mumbai. This is for 22 and 23. This is the financial period displaying here. Now I will change the financial period. See 23 and 24 automatically generated. User can edit the serials and in branch edit screen. This is 23 and 24. Now I will create one more branch in the same financial period. Delhi. See here automatically prefix is set. Save. Now we will see the branches here, branch list. See Delhi. See now it is showing serials because financial period is this one. On selection of this financial period, Delhi, there are no serials because we created Delhi branch in financial period 2. So we have to set serials for this financial period 1 manually by editing Delhi in branch edit screen. Here we have to fix this one. So here the main logic is at the time of creating financial period, prefix and last number will be generated for all existed branch by the system. And at the time of creating branch, it allocates only for that particular financial period. The rest financial periods, user has to fix it manually. The same is mentioned here. On adding new financial period, prefix and last number will be created automatically for all existed branch. And we are creating a new branch, serials will be set for that financial period only for that branch. For other financial periods, user has to set manually for that particular branch. Next, transaction and report date validation. While data entry and reports, each and every phase it will verify for the date, transaction date or report date. Here I am selecting HO. See this date. This date will be validated first in this base of branch transaction minimum date and maximum date. Here we can see this is transaction minimum date and transaction maximum date. Out of these boundaries, system will not accept the transaction. So based on requirement, we will change the financial period. Next, it will check for the user transactions. This is user transaction minimum date and user transaction maximum date. Out of these boundaries, system will not accept that transactions. Finally, this date, financial period date. The financial period selected for this one, this boundaries limit only works. So this is the sequence of date validation. Similarly, for the reports also, purchase list we are watching this date period. See from date and to date within the boundaries of financial period, user limits and branch limits. For user, one more is there. So that is this is transaction for data entry related. This is for reports related. For example, financial period is 1/4/22 to 31/3, and we submitted GST up to August. So we can block transaction entry for that particular user by adding here 1, 10, 22. Sorry, not maximum one. We have to minimum date. We have to change. See, transaction entry will make this as 1, 10, 22. So user can view the reports from 1/4 to 31/3, whereas user cannot enter transactions 1/4 to 39. So this is transaction limit and this is for report limit. In this way, we can control the transaction dates and report dates for an user. The same is defining here. Thank you.